Hello, I'm Trey.
I'm Troy.
And we're going to answer some questions listeners brought in. I know, can't you believe there's listeners, Troy?
People who listen?
Well, they asked about rocks. And so
Well, if they're listeners, why are they asking?
That's not funny. That's not funny. Okay. Our first type of rock we're going to talk about today is sedimentary.
I get it.
Now, a sedimentary rock has many layers like the one we see here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're gonna make it down.
They're easily recognizable by these layers. You can find them by a river or stream or a water source, like one of these. That was cool, wasn't it? Now, there's two types of sedimentary rocks, clastic and non-clastic. Here's a clastic rock. It's clastic because it's got fragments of other eroded minerals in it.
Where's the classic rock, yo?
A non-clastic rock has minerals that were dissolved in water. It's pretty cool. Now, we're next going to talk about metamorphic rocks.
I hate mosquitoes.
Because it has meta in it.
Which is always better.
Which is always better. All right. Now, metamorphic rocks can be identified by it looks like they've been changed or altered. You can find these in places of high extreme pressures or temperatures,
Pokemon.
like the Earth's crust. There's two types, foliated and non-foliated. Now, foliated metamorphic rocks have many layers in them because the minerals bonded together and flatten down. And they break into these layers when they break. Non-foliated is just the opposite. They're not banded together and they break into angular pieces.
Angular.
Alright, now we're going on to our next rock, igneous. Now we're going to be talking about igneous rocks. Igneous rock means the word fire. All right. You can usually identify igneous rocks because they look like they're burnt and they're all black. Well, at least most of them are. Now, you can find them in volcanoes or where lava is or molten lava. That's pretty cool if you ever run by one. We just don't have any around here, in Florida. We just got marshes and mosquitoes.
Ocean!
All right. And two type groups are excessive and inexcessive. Inexcessive igneous rocks are rocks that are formed inside. Now, extrusive igneous rocks, they're made from on the outside of the Earth's crust or above. So, you find it on like your playgrounds. That would be extrusive. Okay.
I'm all better.
All right. Intrusive can be found inside the Earth's crust because it squeezes through all these other rocks, intruding them, hence the name. All right, that's all for today, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a good day and look for those different types of rocks and keep an eye out for